For Viagra and similar class drugs to work, you need sexual stimulation first. I know in some movies you see guys just popping the pills and immediately they start having sex. In reality, in real life, it doesn't work like that. You need about 1 hour for onset of action. So you have to time it. That's the first thing. The second thing is, if you understand the physiologic mechanism of erection of the penis, you would understand that the Viagra will not work without sexual stimulation. So there has to be a kind of foreplay or something that will stimulate you as the man. And this is because the erection of the penis involves the release of nitric oxide, called NO, into the muscle of the penis during the sexual stimulation. And the Viagra and similar class drugs enhance the effect of this nitric oxide, resulting in smooth muscle relaxation. And it is the smooth muscle relaxation that causes inflow of blood into the muscle of the penis. Now, at the recommended dose, right? It has no effect in the absence of sexual stimulation. That is important. Also, don't forget that you have to time it at least an hour. Works about an hour after you pop in the pill. It is when you do all of this that you get the right results.